Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pasta oven using an easy method. This approach simplifies the process, allowing you to enjoy a comforting meal with minimal fuss. We'll cover everything from preparing your ingredients to layering them perfectly and finally baking to golden perfection. Get ready to create a fantastic dish that's sure to be a crowd pleaser, perfect for any weeknight dinner or special occasion. Let's get started. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Cook about 12 ounces of your preferred pasta, like penne or ziti, until it's al dente. That's about 2 minutes less than the package suggests. This prevents it from becoming mushy in the oven. Next, have your favorite sauce warmed and ready. Grate approximately 1 cup of cheese, perhaps mozzarella or a blend, and prepare any additional fillings like cooked ground beef or sautéed spinach. Having everything prepped makes assembly a breeze. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Start by spreading about 1 cup of your warm sauce on the bottom. Then, add half of your cooked pasta evenly over the sauce. Follow this with another layer of sauce, using about 1.5 cups, and sprinkle with half of your grated cheese. Repeat these layers, ensuring the top layer is a generous amount of cheese for that perfect golden crust. This layering ensures every bite is flavorful. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your assembled pasta oven, uncovered, into the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the sauce is bubbly around the edges and the cheese on top is beautifully melted and golden brown. Once out of the oven, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period helps the layers set, making it much easier to serve perfect portions. Enjoy your delicious homemade pasta oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.